Hindi. Magjo-joke na lang ako kasi ito talaga yung running joke namin sa set. Pero naisip na namin yung Road Killers 2. Kwento ko ba direct? So, ang na-imagine namin lahat for Road Killers 2, sa Siargao naman, habang nagsasurf, doon naman daw nagbabarilan. Yan ang sabi ni Derek. So, pinatawa ko lang po kayo. But, I guess with me kasi, honestly, yung nangyari kay Stacey or yung mga decisions na, or yung mga nagawa niya, I don't think I'll be able to, take someone else's life just to save my father. I guess, ako personally, parang hindi ko kakayanin yun. But yung I commend Stacey kasi gano'n niya talaga kamahal yung father niya. Na bahala na yung values niya, she will throw it out of the window just to, I guess, in a way, baka redemption din yun because, of what she did before, na guilty rin siya na nung namatay mo, parang they weren't really in a good relationship. So, in a way, yun yung redemption niya. And kita nyo naman na until the very end, ginawa niya talaga yung wishes ng dad niya, which is to be buried beside the mom. So, yun.